My name is Jaychandra. I am studying second class.
Opposites. My,
Yours,
up,
down,
observe,
ignore,
answer,
question,
follow,
read,
you,
I,
in,
out,
like,
dislike,
more,
less,
share,
hold,
on,
under,
all,
none,
go,
come,
open,
close,
move,
stuck,
town,
city,
back,
front,
there,
here,
he,
shape,
use,
misuse,
with,
without,
take,
took,
take,
give,
favorite,
dislike,
suddenly,
predictable,
hard,
soft,
break,
mend,
everybody,
nobody,
happen,
unhappen,
this,
that,
we,
they,
belong,
above,
belong,
differ,
singular,
lower,
friend,
enemy,
generally,
occasionally,
correct,
wrong,
rearrange,
remove,
teacher,
student,
allowed,
quietly,
repeat,
keep,
after,
before,